Are you looking for the best circular saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best circular saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Skil 5080 Circular Saw. The price tag qualifies it as splurge. But if you aren't on a budget, the Makita 18VX2LXT Circular Saw delivers corded power in a cordless model. It features a 7/1 blade, 2/5/8 cutting depth, and a brushless worm drive motor that delivers fast blade rotation 6,000 revolutions per minute to eliminate chip-out problems. It weighs only 10 pounds with 2 onboard batteries. It also features variable blade speed, a blade brake, dust blower, and a 56-degree bevel with positive stops. Nice. Up next in the 4th place is the SKILSAW SPT7700 Worm Drive Circular Saw. The SKILSAW SPT7700 lightweight worm drive circular saw is modeled after the original SKILSAW invented in 1924, but updated with modern features. The magnesium body makes it lighter than other worm drives. The bevel plate tilts 53 degrees, and the anti-snag blade guard keeps the saw on track, even when cutting small pieces. One caution: the saw blade rotates more slowly than those on sidewinder saws. The resulting chip out can be a problem on rip cuts. The 3rd product on our list is the Makita 15377 7/1 Magnesium Hypoid Saw. Makita, a reliable name in power tools, is one of the few manufacturers offering hypoid saws. With its lightweight magnesium construction, the Makita 15377 Circular Saw weighs only 13 pounds, light for a geared saw. The gears are made of heat-treated steel, which wears longer than the bronze alloy ones of traditional worm drive saws. It bevels to 51.4 degrees, and there are positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees for quick changes. The gear housing is sealed, and the gears, unlike traditional worm drive gears, never need lubricating. Second on our list is the Makita 5007 Circular Saw. Makita again takes top honors with its all-magnesium 5007 7/1 Circular Saw. This saw, which comes with a carrying case, a nice touch, weighs in at only 10.6 pounds. It bevels all the way to 56 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. The ergonomic design features a front handle for extra stability, a built-in dust blower to keep the cut line clear, and 2 LED guide lights. This is the tool you need for your next framing project. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. Many cordless sidewinder saws come with undersized blades to make them more compact and save on power. Not the Milwaukee M18 brushless circular saw, which takes the same 7/1 blade corded saws used. It's equally useful in the shop and on a construction site. The 5 amp-hour battery, discreetly placed to keep it out of the sight line, provides enough power to the brushless motor to rip hundreds of feet of plywood. It's a little heavy, but has an extra handle to compensate. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.